Okay, my name is Omar. I'm from Peridot Technologies. So basically, I'm from New York. A lot of time I'm driving in New York City, I'm getting like parking problems. I am not able to find the parking. Sometimes I park at a location, and when I come back, I get a ticket on my car. And sometimes I park at some location, and if I forget where did I park last time. So these are all the problems that I have been facing since last few years. So keeping all this thing in mind, I developed this app to take care of all these issues. So as I start this app, it's going to be going to my current location, and it's going to show me what are the parking options available at that location. At this moment, I have data for San Francisco only, so I'm going to search for San Francisco.
Well, yeah, Luxor, open parking.
And it's going to take me to San Francisco, and it's going to show me the on-street data and off-street parking availability also. So as soon as I have that information, I'll be able to tap on that street or that parking garage, and it will let me park at that location.
The Wi-Fi is not being hit by the stream, so you're just going to have to be patient.
There is some internet connectivity issue also, but the key thing about this application is that if I connect this app to the Bluetooth of the car also, so it's going to automatically operate accordingly. So if I unplug this, like,
do you want to park at the location?
So it's going to automatically speak to you, and it's going to tell you that, do you really like to park at this location? If you say yes, it's going to physically park your car at that location. So when I'm coming back to the car, it's going to automatically find the car where the car is actually parked at. So.
Sure what you said. Please say yes.
Jason Zimmerman.
No. Cancel.
Yes. So it's going to park physically at that location.
5 seconds.
Not sure what you said. Please say yes. No. Cancel.
Yes.
Time.
Not sure what you said.
I'm
Please
sorry.
say yes.
Give him a hand. Let's go. That was good. That was good stuff.